To deal with some burnt on crud or stains on your fancy stainless steel cookware, Barkeeper's Friend cleaning powder will make quick work of an otherwise nightmarish dish scrubbing situation. Wet your pan, shake a good amount of the powder into it, and then simply scrub away the stain with minimal effort. Using a good quality sponge like this also makes a world of a difference. These are my favorite, and I'll link them in the description below. For tougher stains, do yourself a favor and fill the pan up with water and then boil it on your stovetop for a couple of minutes to get a bunch of the schmutz off before you scrub it with Barkeeper's Friend. Now, let's just say you had a pot of rice on the stove, but you accidentally fell asleep on the couch for an hour or two because your neighbors have been running power tools right outside your bedroom window every morning for, I don't know, the past 2 or 3 months while they were renovating their shed, and despite repeated requests, they will not start later in the day, and now your pan has an apparent irrecoverable hellfire scorched earth situation, to use a completely made up, arbitrary, and non-personal example. You can fix a really screwed up pan like this by actually soaking it overnight in a large pot filled with hot water and a big scoop of dishwashing detergent. This technique also works well if you just want to get the built up bits out of the hard to reach spots of an older pan and get it looking brand spanking new. I usually demote an old paring knife that's past its prime to pan crevice duty for his retirement and really get in there. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it or subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out and I would appreciate it. Later, nerds.